Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and refreshing watermelon smoothie. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of cubed ripe watermelon, which is the star of our show. Next, prepare 1/2 cup of your preferred liquid, like coconut water or plain water, to help with blending. A small squeeze of fresh lime juice adds a wonderful zing, and if you like it sweeter, a tablespoon of honey works perfectly. These simple components are all you need to start this delightful drink. Now that we have our ingredients ready, it's time to blend them into a perfect smoothie. Carefully pour all your watermelon, liquid, lime juice, and any sweetener into a high-speed blender. Begin blending on a low setting to break down the larger pieces, then slowly increase the speed to high. Continue blending until the mixture is completely smooth and has a uniform consistency, which usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. Remember, avoid overblending to keep that light, refreshing texture we all love. While our basic watermelon smoothie is fantastic on its own, there are many ways to enhance its flavor and nutritional value. For a cool, aromatic twist, try adding a handful of fresh mint leaves before blending. If you prefer a colder, thicker smoothie with extra fruitiness, 1/2 cup of frozen berries works wonderfully. For a more filling option, a scoop of your favorite protein powder can be incorporated. And for those who enjoy a little warmth, a small piece of fresh ginger adds a delightful, subtle spicy kick. Experiment to find your perfect combination. Finally, it's time to serve and savor your delicious homemade watermelon smoothie. Once blended to perfection, immediately pour the smoothie into chilled glasses. For an extra touch of elegance, you can garnish each glass with a small watermelon wedge or a fresh sprig of mint. It's best to serve and enjoy your smoothie right away to experience its optimal taste and refreshing texture. This delightful beverage is perfect as a healthy snack, a light breakfast, or a cooling treat on a warm day. Cheers to your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.